Good morning, Sagada. We're going to explore Sumaguing Cave today. This is the entrance to Sumaguing Cave. And this is the view. I like the name of this inn, Sagada Cave Inn. I think his Petromax is ready now. Ano nga palang pangalan mo?
Ay ako, Sabit po. Actually, this cave is the biggest cave in Sagada.
Okay.
So we have 3 different caves here. This is the mainly exit. You enter the cave connection, you will exit here.
At
you will
Lumyang.
enter the normal, the crystal cave, you will exit here.
Okay.
Okay, so this cave is divided into 3 parts.
3 parts.
The first part is the slippery part. Kaya dahan-dahan lang tayo.
Okay.
The first part, bawal po yung cellphone dun. Bawal po yung camera.
Because you might slip. Okay.
At the second part, we'll adjust our imaginations. We'll see the rock formation.
See a lot of rock formations.
So, because this cave is, we are entering a porn cave. So we'll see the queen, the king, and the prince.
Porn cave?
Yes, and
porn as in porn?
Yes. Are you ready?
Ready! Ready, 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 ready. This is now the slippery part, so
It's better to step on the flow stone.
we're inside now in the second part of the cave. It's actually a lot brighter because of the Petromax lamps. We've just been through Holy Land, which is up there. Our guide said that if you feel cold water dripping on your shoulder, that's holy water. And if you feel that it's warm, it's holy shit. Bad poop. Pardon the pun. That's the Pek Pek rock formation. And she's pregnant. Look at this Spider-Man. No rope, no holding, and going down forward. Okay, he's going to guide Ken. Okay, now it's Ken's turn to go down. Okay, Ken's using his water shoes. Hannah. Okay, my turn next. This cave has a shallow body of water over there.
Huh?
And that one is a big one.
Going down now? Okay.
There's a small entrance
No, he said, are we going down?
that we have to go down to. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Like that. Ken is going down. Hannah's turn. I've made it from up there to down here. That's easy.
Can you find the king and the queen here?
The king and the queen. This is the king's curtain. Is this the queen?
No, you cannot find.
No, go ahead.
What's this?
Even me, I cannot find because there's a curtain here. Yung kuweba na to, may namatay dito na hindi nakita.
Huh?
Hindi po namin na.
Hindi nakita? So there's bones probably wherever?
No, yes, maybe.
He went missing. It's a thrill of a caving adventure, but wow.
Yeah.
So this is the hardest part of Sumaguing Cave. You could opt out or try that. It's 20 minutes long, but for guys, they could take it in just 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So may namatay na dyan?
Hindi po dito, pero sa kuweba na to.
Ah. This is Joan of Arc from Masfrey, one of our favorite restaurants here. Bye for now.